Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start in the phone app, tap it, and choose the voicemail tab. Once there, look for the greeting button in the top left. That opens recording controls. If you don't see visual voicemail, make sure your carrier supports it and your cellular plan is active. Call them to enable it before continuing. You're doing this now to access the built-in record and save flow. That's why we didn't backtrack to settings. Proceed to tap greeting. You'll record next. Now you'll choose custom and tap record to create your new greeting. Speak clearly and naturally. Use the speaker or wired headphones to avoid handling noise. Once done, tap stop and then play to preview. Listening now lets you check pacing and background noise. If you need another take, tap record again. You can re-record as many times as needed. Make sure the message is concise and professional if it's for work, since people decide to leave voicemails. When your preview sounds good, tap save to replace the default greeting. This writes the file to your visual voicemail inbox so callers hear it immediately. If save is grayed out or the greeting doesn't update, restart your iPhone to refresh system processes and retry. This resolves transient software hiccups. If problems persist, check visual voicemail status with your carrier. Sometimes provisioning or network issues block updates. That one quick carrier call often fixes lingering access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.